Hello my dear students, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today inshallah we're having a new lesson. Open your student book at page number 10. Exercise number 3. Read this interview in pairs. We have here interview. Interview means meeting. Meeting in which someone asks questions. Okay. Look at the title of this interview. Danger. Danger. What is the part of speech of this word? Danger is a noun. What is the adjective of this word? Could you remember we took the adjective of this word in a previous class? Dangerous. Dangerous is adjective. Danger is a noun. Danger al-khatar. Dangerous al-khatir. Okay. At first, let's look at these pictures. How many pictures do we have? We have 3 pictures. Can you tell me what can you see in these pictures? Yes, I can see in the first picture a man is climbing a mountain. The second picture I can see fires and people try to put down the fires. What do we call these people? Firemen. Excellent. The last picture we can see racing car and a man in a fire. All of these pictures can tell me there is danger. All of these pictures can tell me there is danger. We have here a question. Look at this question. Why do people do it? Why do people do it? It here refers to danger. Why do people do dangerous things or dangerous activities? Okay, please look at this sentence. A psychologist explains the reasons why people take up dangerous activities. A psychologist. Psychologist means طبيب نفسي. Explains يعني clears the reasons الأسباب why people do dangerous activities. Okay, we have here interview between journalist and Dr. Fred. Journalist means the person whose job is writing for newspapers, magazines, or television. Dr. Fred, who is Dr. Fred? Dr. Fred is a psychologist. Okay? The journalists ask Dr. Fred some questions about why do some people do dangerous activities. Okay? Let's start reading. Journalists ask Dr. Fred, why do some people do dangerous activities and jobs? Dr. Fred answers, it's because there are 2 elements. Elements means factors or parts in danger. What are they? One is fear, the other is the need to defeat fear. We have here 2 elements in danger. The first one is fear. The other is the need to defeat fear. Fear means to be frightened. Why defeat means overcome. Okay, the question, what do people feel when they defeat fear? The people feel a physical reaction. The people feel a physical reaction when they defeat fear. Okay, defeat fear معناها means إنه يهزم خوفه. people feel a physical reaction يعني بيشعروا بردة فعل بدنية. The second question, journalists ask, so do we always need to do dangerous activities to get this feeling? Look at this question. This question in simple present tense. We have here the adverb of simple present is always. And we start the question by using do because the subject is plural. For the question, do we always need to do dangerous activities to get this feeling? So, what is this feeling? What is this feeling that are talking about? We talk about a physical reaction. Do we always need to do dangerous activities to get a physical reaction? For Dr. Fred answers, not at all. Not at all means no. Take a journalist, a football player, or even an artist. They probably don't have to take a physical risk. But here, take example, a journalist, a football player, or even an artist. All these people probably do not have to take a physical risk. Physical risk means مخاطر بدنية. Risks means danger, okay? But the artist, the rock climber, look at this word, climber. It'll be silent. We don't pronounce it. The rock climber or the mountain biker feel the same physical enjoyment. فالارتست والروك كلايمر والماونتن بايكر feel the same physical enjoyment بنفس المتعة البدنية as a footballer يعني like a footballer after scoring a goal. Yeah. What do journalists, football players and artists have in common? All of these people feel the same physical enjoyment. Like a football player score goal, okay? We have here the word footballer and football player. These words are the same, have the same meaning. The last question. Journalists ask, what about people who work in dangerous professions? Professions here is a noun. Professions is a noun and it means jobs. What about people who work in dangerous jobs? Let's see how Dr. Fred answers this question. Well, policemen, firemen, or even stuntmen. Stuntmen, what does this word mean? Stuntmen, the persons who perform dangerous actions in a film. Yeah, they share a certain type of personality. Share means have a certain type of personality. Personality is a noun and it means characteristics that make one person different from another. الشخصية means. Okay, with artists and sportsmen who practice dangerous sports. But they, we have here the pronoun they. They refers to whom? Refers to policemen, firemen, and stuntmen. They refers to policemen, firemen, or stuntmen. But they perform dangerous activities. Why? Why do firemen, policemen, and stuntmen perform dangerous activities? Because these are part of their job. While the artist, the rock climber, and the mountain biker performs dangerous activities to defeat their fear.